dissing me, auto, pop his ass like a bottle, sipping Moscato, pulling with bunch of.
Welcome back, money makers. This is a whole new month, and first of all, I want to thank all of over 200 subscribers for subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot as a small content creator that you subscribe to my channel when you can subscribe to anybody else's channel. That means the world to me, and I want to keep providing you with financial opportunities so you can get rid of your 9-to-5 job or whatever financial goals you are trying to plan for yourself, or just trying to stay afloat in this tough economy. And I want to be that for you guys. That's why I give away cash giveaways. I have given away over $500 or $600, in the past couple of months. And I'm so proud of all the people that shows up, that continues to support my channel. It really means a lot. But you didn't come here to hear the sad, happy story. You came here for more money-making opportunities. Right, money makers? Right. Let's get into it. Now, we have a new opportunity today. Not going to bore you. I'm going to get straight to the point here. Here you can see you can make over $2,000 or $500 with this site. And what is this site called? It is called Social Stash. It's your gateway to earning $500 daily. That is incredible. A lot of people don't know about this particular website, but you see the payment proof here. So it says, are you ready to transform your spare time into sustainable income? Sustainable income. You want income that keeps generating month after month after month. And that's what this channel is about. Side hustles that can get you to quit those 9-to-5 jobs and start making money on the side if you really are focused and dedicated. It's money to be made out here, money makers. I know that. I've shown you guys proof time and time again if you follow my channel closely. But this is really good money right here. $500 daily. You don't have to worry about money if you join and download this Social Stash. So with us, you can earn $500 or more daily by completing simple tasks, testing apps, and taking surveys. No previous experience required. And then if you click here to say, get $40 bonus, you can go ahead and create an account with Social Stash. You can go ahead and put in your first name, make a username, put in the email, then a password, and then confirm password. And then once you sign up for this particular Social Stash here, you'll be able to start making money by doing different things. So here, I'm just gonna put in a random name here, and then I can just say my username Monday 123, and then I just say my email here, and then I'm just gonna just make up a password here. And then once you do all that, you're just gonna click to sign up. But they have some very powerful features here that after it'll be brought back to your account here. And then after that, you can, here's a little bit more information about what Social Stash is about. So in Social Stash, we believe in the power of turning everyday online activities into opportunities for financial growth. Our platform is founded with a single yet transformative vision to empower individuals to earn money effortlessly while embracing the digital world. So it's money to be made online. I don't want to hear any more excuses that I can't make money in 2024. I am showing you time and time again, money makers. That is proof. This is proof in the pudding that money can be made online. Not everything is a scam in life. You just have to really do your due diligence to follow up, to verify, to check, to make sure these are all valid opportunities. And I try my best to bring these opportunities. You never know when the website's going to go down, so I do apologize at the time of recording this. But hopefully this site is still up and running and you can make as much money as you can. and they just tell you they are backed by different, reputable companies. So CNN, New York Times bestseller, Forbes, these are all legitimate companies to let you know that these are legit. So if you can go ahead and just go head over to socialstash.co, and you'll be able to sign up, create your account, and then they'll have different opportunities within your account. But other than that, take care, money makers. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. Understand that if you need anything, you can reach out to me. I try to do cash giveaways, every 4 or 5 months. I try not to spoil you guys, but I try to do that because I know it's going to help someone in the world, no matter where you at. And I just want to appreciate you guys because you've been rocking with me. You understand this. You understand the assignments that I try to present to you all. You can always reach out to me if you need any financial support. I'm here, but ultimately the goal is to get you to be financially sustainable on your own. So with that, money makers, take care. See ya.